All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. All right, this morning is going to be a simple one, a very quick one, because we are gearing up for the NFP report later on today. All right, so just to remind you guys, we will be going live on YouTube from 3 p.m. to discuss the NFP, to see the impact it has in the market and a few talking points that are going to be beneficial to us, right, moving forward. So that is today at 3 p.m. live on YouTube. Now, looking at the charts, like I said, we're keeping it very simple. We've got gold, we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum, all right? We are sticking to the same script. The direction we spoke about a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, we stick into that direction. If you have a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, all right, the momentum is still bearish. The momentum continues to go down, all right? So you've got Bitcoin that has slipped below 70,000, gave us a retracement, and it seems like the momentum has resumed towards the downside, all right? So we're anticipating Bitcoin to head down to 60,000, all right? It has passed it before, so we're anticipating it to head down to $60,000, and that's basically our target, our near-term target, all right? And you look at Ethereum that has slipped below $2,000, and we're anticipating it to continue pushing down to 1,744, around the zone, all right? So nothing much on these ones as we continue to follow the momentum. And if you take a look at gold also, we continue to follow the bullish momentum. It has pushed towards the upside. It is trying to find resistance around here. Price action is a little bit messy around here and choppy. So I think the markets is basically waiting for that NFP report. What we're seeing at the moment is small momentum candlesticks, right? So ever since price has reached this zone, there hasn't been proper movements here. So the price action is messy, but the overall structure on the higher time frames remains bullish. So we're anticipating gold to push all the way back to that high, and then to break that high to continue pushing up, right? But with the NFP, there's a possibility that the NFP might try to cause a mess. It might create a mess, all right? So price, we might see gold pushing down before it goes up. So if the NFP comes out and then it favors the dollar, we might see gold pushing down and then later on pushing towards the upside. Or it could continue up if the NFP doesn't favor the dollar, all right? So that's basically it, guys. Looking ahead of the NFP, we've got gold here. We might get one more push down before we go up, or we could go up from there, all right? And yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they remain bearish. So guys, let's see what's going to happen later on today. NFP 3 p.m. live on YouTube. The report comes out at 3:30. All right, let's see what's going to happen. We're hoping to see you guys there. And yeah, we will talk further on the NFP session. All right, have a good one, guys. We're going to end it here for this morning. Have a good day further. Enjoy and good luck.